Trading is the biggest battle against your mind. You face fear, greed, anger, sadness on a daily basis. But if you can overcome it, you can do anything. The most difficult part of becoming a successful trader is not making money. It's learning how to change your mindset. Trading is hard. Many lessons are learned only through experience. That's why it's impossible to succeed in 3 to 6 months. If you're afraid of losing money, reduce your risk. If you're afraid of risk, think in probabilities. If you're afraid of missing out, backtest your system more. Fear is just an illusion. You can win on the 1-minute time frame. You can win on the 1-hour time frame. You can win on the daily time frame. It doesn't matter how. Just do it. It's crazy how powerful you can become with a simple horizontal line. If you can't trade again after a trading loss, you have a discipline problem. Every day has 1,000 trading opportunities. You just need only 2 to 3, even 1. Less is more is real in trading. Anyone can become a successful trader. Only a few stay in the game long enough to become one. You start from zero. Year 1 is bad. Year 2 is better. Years 3 to 4 much better. Years 5 to 7 you are a different person. Trading is a journey. Act accordingly. You will never forget the people who called you stupid. At the beginning of your trading journey,